Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Apple ID and the charge detail so you know what to fix. Once you see the charge name and date, you can target the right subscription. Sign into Appleid. Apple. Com and cross-check billing address and primary email, then open settings on your device for subscriptions. Make sure your payment method is current, cards expire, and note any unexpected merchant names. This first step prevents chasing the wrong problem and sets up the next corrective actions. Once done with verification, cancel or change the subscription causing the charge so no further billing occurs. Go to Subscriptions in Settings or Appleid. Apple. Com and stop auto-renewal. Then request a refund through Report a Problem. Apple. Com or the Report a Problem link in your purchase email. Provide dates, amounts, and why it's unauthorized or incorrect. If support needs escalation, have screenshots and transaction ID ready. You do this to force a formal record and a reversal path rather than informal promises. You finish by confirming the refund hit your bank and that subscriptions are truly canceled. Check statements for 5-7 business days and follow up with Apple support if missing. Then secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, change the Apple ID password, and remove unfamiliar devices. Finally, simplify payment methods and enable alerts so you catch future charges immediately. If anything goes wrong, contact support with your confirmation ID and a clear timeline. Persistent documentation speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.